This is our leg curl machine, and you're gonna use this one to work your hamstrings, which is the back of the leg. If you ever forget what it does or how to use it, there's a plaque on the machine that will demonstrate it and show you which muscle groups are worked. We wanna get it adjusted to our body in a way that we can start with a straight leg position, because the exercise we're going to pull the weight down with our hamstrings. So the goal here is to use our yellow levers and knobs to adjust. Go ahead and squeeze the lever and pull that seat forward however it fits best. It may take a little bit of trial and error to figure out which numbers, as they're all numbered, work best for you. So I'm gonna slide my feet in here and work until I get a straight leg. But if you notice down here, my feet are kind of hanging. They're not really supported. So I'm going to adjust this here so that I'm a little more protected just behind the ankle above the heel. And then this pad is below my knee, not on my knee. And then before we get started, the last step is going to be selecting our weight. In this case, we have 10-pound increments that we can select. I'm gonna start lower, see how it feels, and then add more weight as needed. And if that weight jumps too far, I can always add 5 pounds to make it 25 pounds, or not add 5 pounds to keep it at 20 pounds. In order to perform the exercise, you can have your hands on these handles down here or no handles. It really doesn't make too much of a difference. Again, you're gonna start straight leg, bend at the knees, using the hamstrings, which are back here. I feel them engaged, and then go ahead and slowly lower up. Pull down and